Morning. Kind of getting things set up to go. We've already started harvest. This will be day 2. Actually, yesterday I lost the camera, so I didn't get to tape. So we only had a couple problems yesterday. One would be my GPS would give signal, then no signal, and you're like, oh, poor baby, you had to drive yourself. I know, it's terrible. So anyways, we're putting in the new software, so the 6,000 bulb should like whatever's going on in here. Yeah, so we'll kind of get the head out, get things ready, and we'll get to the field. Brief update. So yesterday when this happened, I did call my salesman. I told him my issue, and he said I need a software update. So I'll just bring you the USB stick maybe, or you can do it then, or today. I'm like, no, I'll wait till tomorrow. Super glad. I've been here for 30 minutes. Come on, baby. Immediately the dew's out. This is not a big deal. This is why I'm doing this in the morning, and this is why I just decided to deal with it during the day, because I don't like being, if I don't have to be shut down, I won't be. I mean, I'll try to make things work for the rest of the day. So hopefully the next scene will be in the field, or at least getting there. We're not to the field yet. So yesterday I was noticing I couldn't use my fan speed, but it was right around that 1,000 mark, so I was happy. Anyways, there's a little actuator that sits here. One's going to get a new one. We're going to replace it, and then we can go to the field. So there we are. What goes on, this motor turns this thread, pulls this tighter or looser, tightening this clutch, the belt, make it slower or faster. Kind of mind blown. Somebody's not blown. Well, it just doesn't click. But I'll get the zip tie and it should stay. But
that's the reason why they bring another wire. Maybe it's different aftermarket. Maybe.
No, I think somebody's changed it before and got a little rough with it and broke the clip. Gonna imagine. Should theoretically work. We'll pull it out and alright, Mike is just gonna watch that, so I should be able to turn this on when he gives me the thumbs up, not before order.
Alrighty, see what you can do.
That would be the clear. Okay. No fan speed. Should be able to.
She's moving.
It's moving. We're gonna get her up to. Okay, I'm gonna get her up straight to speed. So hopefully she goes all the way pretty much out.
Alright.
She's climbing. This is good news. Oh, kind of stopped there. Oh, no, there it goes. Okay, we'll kind of keep you informed here. 600, 610. So, I like those easy fixes. Let's get to the field here once it gets up to speed, and we'll get harvesting. All right, here we go. Going to map the exterior. Guts. That's good. Yeah, we'll get a video later once we get straight up and down, but we're started. We're rolling. They're doing pretty good. Averaging 52 right now. Might go up, we'll see. What are some good beans right now? Just got the outside done. That usually kills the average around the bush line. But yeah, no, I'm pretty happy with this draper head. Like I know in other videos I was talking, I really like my auger head, not that I didn't, but now that I've used this a bunch now, this is sweet. It works really well. It takes less horsepower to run, and it does everything they say you can do. You can definitely start earlier in the morning. I haven't had to go later at night, just the way that it's been. We finished the fields, like, well, we can just, you know, I'm not really too concerned about going really hard because I still got fields that are a bit green. So just we got tomorrow, we'll tackle the day again. But we'll keep you informed. Keep you informed. Pretty happy with the sample. I can't really argue with that. See just on the other side of Owen there, that's the double crops. I think they look awesome. I think they look really good. Just giving an update, you can see we have full signal. Well, every once in a while, especially when I'm unloading on the go, that'll kick off and my combine will kick sideways. I highly doubt John Deere is going to pay for a snout if I completely screw it, because their GPS screwed up and put me into the buggy. So I've been shooting some texts just saying, hey, this is working like a piece of crap, what's going on, like this shouldn't be. I mean, you pay good money for this GPS setup, and when it doesn't work, it really makes you mad, because that's what you're paying for, is all this technology to make your life easier. When it's not easier, it's stressing me out. And this is supposed to be my stress-free day in the combine, not worrying about the barn. I just heard back from Kip. He wants me to try another beacon to see if that is maybe the issue. I have another 6,000 back at the farm, but I'm not stopping today to figure that out. That'll be a tomorrow morning problem. I'll swap it out and see. I can deal with what's going on. If I have to drive a little bit here and there, it's not the end of the world. I just need to be on my game. Like I said, I do not want to hit the buggy if we lose signal. We're unloading on the go, so we'll manage. Other than that, everything's looking pretty solid. We're up to almost 57 bushels an acre. This field's going pretty good. I'm pretty happy. These are 21 28s. Pioneer. Now they're going to get rid of this variety, and the other variety we tried that we've been doing earlier was the Enlist bean, which is supposed to take over this bean. I'm not committed on those just yet. I'll keep growing these 21 28s until they take them away, and I'll keep trying some Enlist. And I tried that Enlist in a bunch of different fields with different soil types, and yeah, I'm just not committed yet. Let me know if you guys have tried some Enlist. Unfortunately, I can't remember the number. But anyways, it is what it is. Okay, it happened again. Of course, unloading on the go, but we managed. That's why I'm not videoing unloading on the go, because I want to be on my A game. let's just say it kicks out here while I'm talking and we miss a few beans, not the end of the world. So anyways, we're on the main screen here and you can see those are all the satellites that are good to go. They're all green. So he's telling me to keep an eye on that, and if they all disappear at once, I probably have a power issue. So in that plug right there, potentially my pins aren't quite in the hole all the way, and you know you got to be all the way in or nobody's happy. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on that, see what happens, and we'll go from there. Like I said, I can go try a different bulb, but I'm trying everything I can. I'm not stopping. That's just how it is. I mean, if I can kind of micromanage from here and just at least solve some issues while I'm driving, sweet. And then when we get back to the farm later tonight, if I find an issue, we'll address it then. So it just did to me again. And wait a second. I mean, it's clear skies, we got satellites, I don't know, things that'll piss you off. Well, we're almost finished this field. We have about 25 acres left, and we have found the culprit. This is it. If I push this button, it's off. Now I'm not doing it because it pisses me off every time I lose my signal, but yep, every time I push this button and talk with Owen, boom, that signal's gone. So I guess two-way radio is the culprit. So I was actually talking with the service guy from Full Line, and that was the only thing they could think of. And so I started pressing the button. I'm like, oh my God, you're right. Wouldn't have thought it. There we are. If you have a two-way radio or something like that, it could interfere with your Green Star and just kick it out. FYI. We're gonna do another test here. They said try putting my walkie-talkie to the left side. I've tried to put it over there in the seat, so now I'm gonna go back there. As you can see, we have, well, pretty well full bars. So we're gonna get back in here. I'm gonna press the auto button, and we'll see if I press this button, whether it still kicks out or not. So I forgot I had these little handy sets, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so test. Just doing another test here, Owen, to see if it goes out. I have it beside me, kind of behind me, and actually it looks like it's working out all right. All right, let's see what happens. Nope, there it is. It kicked out. Kicked out. Well, we have figured out I can hear Owen and it won't kick out, but as soon as I press this magic little button, whoop, no more auto steer for me. So I'm just gonna be giving him the hand signals. You know, I'm gonna be that dad where his hand signals make no sense. That's what's gonna be happening. So we are just about finished by the end of the day. I'll probably carry on this video tomorrow, but yeah, we'll get this header on the cart and see what the night brings. Alright, that's it for tonight. You know what, I think this is just probably a short, sweet video, so make sure you like, subscribe. Peace, have a good one.